Myself, Abhishek Kumar, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. We are present here in Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry Lab. Today we are going to perform the experiment. Aim is to determine the swelling powder of benzonoids. Chemical requires bentonite and sodium lauryl sulfate. For that, we have to take 2 grams of bentonite powder, and for preparation of sodium lauryl sulfate, we have to take 1% of sodium lauryl sulfate solution. For preparation of stock solution of sodium lauryl solution, we have to take sodium lauryl powder in a volumetric flask. Slowly we have to pour After taking the sodium lauryl sulfate in volumetric flask, we have to add 10 or 20 ml of water to dissolve this powder, and after dissolving we have to make up to the mark with distilled water. So we have to wait till the whole powder is mixed with and completely soluble with liquid. After the stock solution is prepared, we have to take 100 ml of that stock solution in measuring cylinder. Now we can add slowly this bentonite powder in this sodium lauryl sulfate solution and wait until the total bentonite solutions settle down. Then again we take a small amount of sodium bentonite. Already we know that bentonite is immiscible with water, but it multiply itself 12 times when it get dissolved in it. It is hygroscopic in nature. It is ordered as It does not dissolve in organic solvent. We have to wait till the whole bentonite settle down at the bottom of measuring cylinder. After that, we take initial reading. After 2 hours, we have to take the final reading. We got our initial reading nearby 5. So we have to wait after 2 hours what the reading come, how it multiply itself